Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to take note on Google Note. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Google browser. And over here on the top right, you can see here is Google Apps. Click on this and scroll down, and over here you can find here is Keep. K-E-E-P, Keep. Click on this. And over here you can take a note. Now if you want to add some notes, you can just click on this take a note. And now I'll enter one. Have you subscribed us? You can see I have created this note. And after you create this note, you can click anywhere over here. And that's it. We have successfully taken the note. Also, if you want more notes, you can just click over here and create in the same way. Also, if you want reminder for this note, you can just click on this reminder, and over here you can select your desired time and dates. Now I'll click on this later today at 8 p.m. and over here you can see the reminder is set. Also, you can do the same for individual notes. So in this way we can create notes and also set reminders for the same. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.